camera detector connect with the 16-channel controller systems. You can see this interface. Totally was 4 direction: south direction, north direction, east direction, and west direction. You can connect the 10 left green light on FAFG and go red, yellow, and green, and the other direction is the same. The east direction turn left, east direction go straight. And this was the CAT6 network cover. You can please connect the brown line with the 485B, and the brown white connect with the 485A. And another side, the output board. You can see the port 1 was the brown white, and the brown connect the port 3. For the radio camera detectors, you can connect this 4 side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this another port, you can connect the network cable with your computer. And another on this top, these 2 lights connect with the power supply, and the red light connect with the positive electric, and the white light connect with the negative port, and the white light connect with the negative port. For the power supplies, these 2 lights you can connect with the controller systems, and the black light connect with the negative, and the red light connect with the positive. Okay.